Good morning to all of you. We continue with the for loops, and thank you Pragya Yadav for reminding for that blunder incident which took place with you people. Actually, it was Pragya who immediately, I think so, she has subscribed it and she informed me immediately. But and either she had not informed, then you people would have suffered double dimensional, and I would have skipped to this topic which we are going to study today. So Pragya, thank you again. Pragya Yadav 9th day, thank you. And so we continue with the series questions here again, and we are going to deal with the simple series questions. So hope so that the series is easy for you. You people are able to locate where the loop is, which should be the loop control variable, whether it should be numerator or it should be denominator, and from where it starts. Somebody asked me why you are writing a class ABC. Can I write ABC in small? Yes, I had written it in small. No problem with it in the Blue Jay, but the norm says that the first character should be capital, because in a video I try to cover a distance, so some programs here, so in a hurry I had to write like that. So you make a good habit of it. I am having a really bad habit, one of the bad habit with me, that I write the class ABC and then A to be small. And somebody asked me that T, the why you are taking as a T1. You listen to the video very carefully. You are just simply focusing on what the things has written been there. What I explain, you don't listen to it. Now when first character is the first digit is positive 1, then we start T with a 1. We cannot start it with a -1, because if you multiply with a -1, then the first digit becomes a -1. The T is actually used to make a digit positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. Is it? So we start with a positive note only. Let's move on with some questions. Let's solve it out in as many possible. Okay. So let's move on with the series questions. Thank you. So here we go with the first question. Sum of the series s equals to x minus x square plus x cube minus x4 plus ... and terms. So import java.util.string class ABC void main scanner system.in. So you require here int I is required for the loop. You require n, you require x, and we require a double s, and s equals to 0.0. Is it? And you require a t variable, and t value equals to 1. Why it is 1? Because the first one is positive here. No sign is there, that means it's a positive 1. Is it? So plan. Enter the limit n equals to sc dot next int method. So plan. Enter the value of x equals to sc dot next int method. Is it? So here we go with the loop. So loop starts with a 1. Is it? So x I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, s equals to s plus math.power x to the power I into t, and t equals to t into minus 1, so that in the next step when I becomes 2, t becomes negative. Then when I becomes 3, the t becomes positive. When I becomes 4, t becomes negative. And so plan s close, class close. X to the power 1, it's x and positive, then t becomes negative. X to the power 2 into minus 1, so it's minus 2. X to the power minus 2. Likewise it is. Then another sum of the series, we move on another sum of the series. X equals to x square upon 2 plus x3 upon 3 plus dot 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 and terms. So import java dot util dot strict class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in, is it? And now so we require an nti loop, n is required, and nothing else, a double s. So here x is also required, x value s equals to 0.0. So plan enter the limit n equals to sc dot next and t method. So plan enter the value of x equals to sc dot next and t method. For I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. Is it? No. We need to find the sum. S equals to s plus. So we are going to get a decimal value, therefore typecast it. Math dot power x to the power I upon I, is it? And so plan s x to the power 1 upon 1, x to the power 2 upon 2, x to the power 3 upon 3. This was the question, is it? Now let's go with some change with it, is it? Again, if the s is like this, s equals to x minus x to the power 2 upon 2 plus x to the power 3 upon 3 minus x to the power 4 upon 4 plus dot 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 and terms. So import java dot util dot strict class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in, is it? System dot in. So here we go. You go with the nti, you need an x, we need an n, so we need a double s and s equals to 0.0. T is also required, t. So t equals to 1. So plan enter the limit. So n equals to sc dot. Next, and t method supply. Enter the value of x equals to sc dot. Next, and t method for loop for I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, s equals to s plus, now this is double, math dot power x comma I upon I into t, is it, and into t equals to t into minus 1. So yeah, supplan s, enclose class close. This is one. Now let's move on to the another. Let's move on to another question. S equals to x plus x upon 2 plus x to the power 2 upon 3 plus x to the power 3 upon 4 plus dot 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 n terms. So import java dot util dot string class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. So what is required here? Anti x n and double s equals to 0.0. So enter the limit n equals to sc dot. Next, anti method supply. Enter the value of x equals to sc dot. Next, anti method for I equals to 1. Look at the loop. Loop is at the power 1, 2, 3 sequential. I less than equals to n, I plus plus. Alright. So s equals to s plus, now double. We need to get a decimal value. So math dot power x to the power I upon I plus 1. This is what the logic. I की value 1, 1 plus 1 2, x to the power 1 upon 2, x to the power 2 upon 3, x to the power 3 upon 4. Supplan s main close class close. Now s equals to, board has asked like this also, x to the power 2 plus x to the power 3 upon 4 plus x to the power 5 upon 6 plus dot 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 n terms. Now look at the loop here. Loop, what is the difference here? 2. What is the difference here? 2. So loop is incrementing twice here. Import java dot util dot string class abc void main scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. So you require int I x n, and you require a double s equals to 0.0. Enter the value of x, sc dot x equals to sc dot next int method. This sc is small, no? So this is x. Enter the limit. N equals to sc dot next int method. So for I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus equals to 2, s equals to s plus math dot power x to the power I upon I plus 1. So plum s main close last close. Now you can have one more sum of the series. Some more series is there. We will be gradually solving those series, and then we will move on with the patterns. So in the next video we will start pattern printing like this: 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 4 1 2 3 4 5, like the simple patterns we will be printing it out with a nested for loop, is it? So we will try to learn with the nested for loop, and Saturday we will have another video. So we will try with it, and some series questions if you would like, then I would better we should solve it out. S equals to 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3 plus 8 plus dot 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 and terms. One question. S equals to 2, 5, 10, 17 and times. S equals to you can have 0 plus 7, 26 plus dot 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 and terms. S equals to you can have 2 plus 9 plus 27 plus dot 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 and terms. So first one is square minus 1, second one is square plus 1, third one is cube minus 1, fourth one is cube plus 1. How we will write it? For everything will be same, rest I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. So it's s equals to s plus I into I minus 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into 3, 9, 9 minus 1, 8. Is it? The second one, this is the first one, this is the second one. For I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. So it is s equals to s plus I into I plus 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 1. Are you getting it now? So you can do, I think so, 3 and 4. That is cube, and one is cube minus 1, and another third one. For I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, s equals to s plus I into I minus 1. Is it? कितना होता है? 1 minus 1 0, 2 to the power 3 8 minus 1 7, 3 3 जा 9 9 3 3 जा 9 9 3 जा 27 minus 1 26. ठीक है ना बेटा? फोर्थ में इसको ऐसे कर लो. You can do it. Thank you.